Hey everybody, Braden here at SuperATV, and today I'm going to be showing you how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's door inserts on this Polaris RZR Turbo. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is open our door and remove the following hardware. This screw here, the screw here, 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 and here. Once we've removed all the hardware, we can grab a hold of the factory door skin and remove it from the door. We'll just go ahead and set this aside for the time being. Then we're going to grab our clip and we're going to install it, making sure that the threaded portion is facing towards the outside of the machine, just like that. Then we're going to take a piece of our two-sided adhesive tape and our small threaded bracket here. We're going to line the threaded plate up with these two holes and then stick it directly to the door. Then we're going to grab our door insert and our bulb seal, and we're going to start installing the bulb seal starting right here. We're going to run it all the way down and around until here. And when you install this, you want to make sure that the bulb portion of the seal is facing towards the inside of the machine, so it should go on just like this. And then you'll want to wait to trim off any excess until this insert is installed. Just go through and make sure that your bulb seal is fully seated. Then we're going to grab both of our brackets. Take the longer of the two brackets and we're going to install it to the door insert. Whenever we install this, we're going to make sure that the brackets are on the inside. So this is going to be the outside. This will be the inside. We're going to take our M5 Allen headed screws with our sealing washers installed on them. Go ahead and start all our nuts. Then we're going to grab our other bracket, do the same exact steps. Then we're going to go through and fully tighten the hardware. Once the hardware is fully tightened, we're ready to head on over here to the machine. Now we're going to go ahead and reinstall the factory door skin. Then we're going to grab our lower door and our M8 hardware. We're going to slide it into place. And we'll go ahead and get our hardware started into our previously installed threaded plate as well as clip. The next thing that we're going to have to do is come right here, take the door insert, push it up against the factory door skin. We're going to have to mark our holes and drill them. We've already done this, so what we're going to do now is take our hardware, put it through here, making sure that the sealing washer is going up against the door, and then we'll put our nuts on the back side and go through and fully tighten all the hardware. Once you have the door insert installed, you want to cut your bulb seal right before it gets to the factory door skin right here. So it should look just like this. Open the door up, make sure that it closes good, make sure it's making a good seal all the way around. If it's not, you're going to have to adjust it. You'll just loosen all the hardware up and adjust it to where the seal makes contact all the way around the machine. That way it completely seals. Go through, make sure all the hardware is fully tightened, and that's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's lower door inserts on this Polaris RZR Turbo. For more information on these door inserts or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.